Hey guys, thank you for watching the Graham Strategy channel. We follow a portfolio of stocks chosen based on the Graham 7 criteria for the defensive stock investor. I also want to remind you that I am not a financial advisor and I do not make any recommendations on what you should or should not buy or sell. The investment has been running for a full year now and it's time to rebalance the portfolio for the second time. Over the past 2 months, the stock markets have in general dropped a great deal. The Dow Jones is down almost 10% and the OMX index is down almost 18% year to date. The reasons for the decline are general fears of increased interest rates due to the higher persistent inflation and the Russian invasion of Ukraine, which has created lots of uncertainty in the markets. Among the stocks in the Graham portfolio, only one is no longer among the top 5, namely Boliden. The performance of Boliden the past 6 months has been good, and in particular over the past 2 weeks it has performed very well, gaining more than 50% since the last rebalancing. The increased market value has thus resulted in a drop in the Graham ranking, so this stock is sold, while the other 4 remain in the portfolio, namely Skanska, SKF, JM and Besqab. 2 of these stocks now fulfill 7 of the same Graham criteria: the construction and property management company Skanska and the ball bearing giant SKF. The amount received for the sale of Boliden, about 110,000 Swedish crowns, is invested in the 4 remaining companies and in 1 new stock, Betsson, which was sold in the last rebalancing close to last year's peak. The value of the stock has since then dropped, while the company's financial performance has remained quite good, thus climbing back to being among the top 5 stocks from a Graham perspective. The company has had some setbacks due to the high inflation in Turkey and temporary regulations in the Netherlands due to the pandemic, but those have now been lifted, which will hopefully let them get back on track. Well, how is the portfolio performing during these turbulent times? Here is the chart showing the result of the Graham Strategy portfolio together with the OMX 30 index, showing the period since the start of the portfolio last year. Currently, the portfolio has gained 39.84%, while the OMX 30 index during this same period has actually lost 3.1%. Looking at the period since the start of the year, the OMX 30 index has lost 17.94%, while the Graham portfolio has lost only 10.92%. Thus, we can conclude that the Graham strategy performs significantly better than the index. That was all for today. Stay tuned for updates on the portfolio, subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive updates when I release a new video. So until next time, as always, stay sharp and follow your passion.